Hey guys, welcome back, it's Matt here, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Pixel 4a 5G. So this is actually a great phone for the price, and considering I just switched over to the iPhone because I kind of wanted something a little bit different, I thought this is a great second phone. And I got some really nice recommendations from Fakundu from How To Man. He definitely explained a lot in terms of why I should get the 5G version over the regular 4a, and there was a price cut on the 4a 5G, so I picked this up for $399, so it's only about $50 more than the 4a. And you do get that wide angle lens. You also get the bigger screen, bigger battery life, stereo speakers, as well as the Snapdragon 765G, which is the same processor as the Pixel 5. So I thought this is definitely worth $50 more. And so I picked it up and I'm actually really happy with it. I filmed the unboxing previously, so I've already set it up and everything. But let's just jump into that unboxing so you guys can go ahead and see. Okay, so here we have the Pixel 4a 5G in box. We're just gonna simply unbox it. I'm gonna show you what you get inside the box. So here we go. So I don't even think I need this knife. You have these pull tabs underneath, so we pull those. It's kind of like on the iPhone a little bit, so that's really nice. Packaging's really slim, and you do get a charger in the box, which is exceptionally nice considering this is a $399 phone. That's how much I paid for it anyway. Very slow unboxing. And also, this is some slim packaging, so I'm surprised they do give you a charger, and it's also a fast charger, I believe. This is an 18-watt fast charger, and it's USB Type-C, so pretty good for the money. So we're just gonna move this to the side. And then here's the device. Very, very nice, soft touch finish. It's very smooth. You got your fingerprint scanner there. You have your dual cameras, you got your wide angle and your regular. Obviously, the Pixel is really well known for its camera, so that's really nice. But this obviously is all plastic. I can see already you have the accented button on the side there. But this is a great size. This is a great size for a device, so we're going to place this at the side. Take off this bit. We have some Google instructions. And then underneath, we have a OTG adapter, it looks like. So USB Type-A to USB Type-C, USB-C to USB-C cable, and obviously our brick, which is USB-C fast charging. So 18 watt you get, which should charge it up pretty quick. So here we have the phone. Let's just peel away this cover. Very nice. And yeah, this looks like a great device. It doesn't feel the most premium thing in the world. It's quite lightweight, but it's nice and slim, and it's a good form factor. It's a very good size. Pretty happy with it. This is definitely really nice to hold in one hand. So holding on the button at the side, booting up, there's our standard Google boot screen. Then we have our setup pages. So I'm just gonna go through and log into all my accounts, pretty much set everything up. And then once I've done, I'll come back and show you guys some more of my thoughts. Okay, so that's it, pretty much unboxed. I've got it all set up right here, and I'm using the stock launcher. I've got some basic social media apps, but really nothing crazy. I'm gonna be customizing this a bunch and playing around with it. I'm gonna be doing my usual top app videos as well as some more customization videos. And if you have any recommendations, definitely message me on Instagram. My Instagram name is right here, but you can DM me, pretty much ask me or tell me anything you would like to see. I'll be really happy to hear it. But I've been playing around with this for 2 days now, and I can say this has definitely got some of the best battery I've seen on a phone. I've actually been using it for about 45 minutes so far, and I've got 98% battery left, which is kind of crazy. For an Android device, this is probably the best I've ever seen, especially coming from Samsung, which just had garbage battery life. So super happy with that. It's also really just nice to use. It's smaller than my usual Android device because I'm usually going for the Ultra or just the bigger Note series phones. So this is actually really nice in the hand. You have a fingerprint scanner on the back, which is kind of old school, but you know what? I kind of like it. It's kind of nice. I'll be going over this in the full review, but honestly, I can say this is actually really worth the money. This is holding up really well compared to some flagships out there. And even though it's not the best processor in the world, I think it's great because it's a little bit more efficient, so you're getting better battery life. This is only 60 Hertz, so you're not getting the 90 Hertz refresh rate or 120. But again, battery life holds up really well because of that. So honestly, I think this is really great if you want to get a really nice device to use with a great camera, a fairly good screen, and good speakers. And even if you want a headphone jack, this has it. So yeah, I'm really impressed with this so far. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. More videos will be coming soon, so definitely do subscribe. But thank you for watching. Peace.